Hello viewers, welcome to MathTech. I am Amish Sharma. In this video, we are going to solve questions from 13 to 15 of chapter 3 from the book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Galen. So without a delay, let's start. Question number 13. Suppose that H is a non-empty subset of a group G that is closed under the group operation and has the property that if A is not in H, then A inverse is not in H. Is H a subgroup? The following result is very useful in order to solve the question. Result: let H be a non-empty finite subset of a group G. If H is closed under the operation of G, then H is a subgroup of G. It is known as finite step subgroup test. Given G be a group and H is non-empty subset of G, which is closed under the group operation. Given H has the property that if A is not belongs to H, this implies A inverse does not belongs to H. Case number 1. If G be a finite group, this implies H is also a finite subset of G. Since given H is closed under the group operation, then by finite step subgroup test, H is a subgroup of G. Therefore, H is a subgroup of G. Case number 2. If G be an infinite group, then H may be either finite or infinite. If H is finite subset of G, then by case 1, H is subgroup of G. Now take H is infinite subset of G. In order to prove H is a subgroup of G, we have to show that for all X belongs to H, X inverse belongs to H. Now given if X is not belongs to H, then X inverse does not belongs to H. This implies if X inverse belongs to H, then X belongs to H. This is known as contrapositive. Now this implies if X inverse belongs to H, then X inverse to the inverse is X, which is belongs to H. Since X inverse is an arbitrary element of H, this implies for every X belongs to H, X inverse is also belongs to H. Therefore, in all cases, H is a subgroup of G. Hence, H is a subgroup of G. Question number 14. Let G be a group of polynomial under addition with coefficient from Z10. Find the order of f of x is equal to 7x square 5x plus 4, g of x is equal to 4x square 8x plus 6, and f of x plus gx is equal to x square plus 3x. If hx is equal to a n x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus and so on up to a net belongs to G, determine order of hx given that GCD of a0, a1, a2 up to an is 1, GCD of a0, a1, a2 up to an is 2, GCD of a0, a1, a2 up to an is 5, and GCD of a0, a1, a2 up to an is 10. In order to solve the question, we have to learn the following result. Result: let G be a group under addition and A belongs to G, then order of element A belongs to G is the least positive integer n such that n is equal to identity. It is denoted by this. If no such n exists for element A, then order of A is infinity. Given G be a group of polynomial under addition with coefficients from Z10. Also, f of x is equal to 7x square plus 5x plus 4, g of x is equal to 4x square plus 8x plus 6, and f of x plus gx is equal to x square plus 3x belongs to G. Now, in order to find order of f of x, order of g of x, and order of f of x plus gx, we have to find a least positive integer n such that all the coefficient of n into f of x, n into gx, and n into f of x plus gx become 0 under addition modulo 10. Now 10 into f of x, this is equal to 70x square plus 50x plus 40, which is 0. Why it is so? Because 70 is 0 under mod 10, 50 is 0 under mod 10, and 40 is 0 under mod 10. This implies order of f of x is 10. Now 5 into gx, this is equal to 20x square plus 40x plus 30, which is equal to 0. Why it is? Because 20 is 0 under mod 10, 40 is 0 under mod 10, and 30 is 0 under mod 10. This implies order of gx is 5. Again, 10 into f of x plus gx, this is equal to 10 into x square plus 30 into x. This is 0. Why it is so? Because 10 is 0 under mod 10, 30 is 0 under mod 10. This implies order of f of x plus order of gx is 10. Now from the above computation, we conclude if f of x belongs to G and the coefficient of f of x are from Z10, then order of f of x is equal to n divided by GCD of a0, a1 up to an. Now given h of x is an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus and so on up to a0 belongs to G. Here all the coefficients are from Z10. Since given GCD of a0, a1 up to an is 1, this implies order of hx is 10 by 1, which is equal to 10. Now in the second set, GCD of a0, a1 up to an is 2. This implies order of hx is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Now in the again set, GCD of a0, a1 up to n is 5. This implies order of hx is 10 by 5, which is 2. And in the last set, GCD of a0, a1 up to n is 10. This implies order of hx is 10 by 10, which is 1. Question number 15. If A is an element of a group G and order of A is 7, show that A is cube of some element of G. Given G be a group and A belongs to G such that order of A is 7. Since order of A is 7, this implies A to the power 7 is identity. Now A can be written as A to the power 14 into A, where A to the power 14 is identity. This is equal to A to the power 15, which is further written as A to the power 5 into cube. Hence A is the cube of some element of G. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.